Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, my group will present our assignment 3. Our group consists of 3 people. My name is Aina Farhah, and then we have Kavilashwinii, and then we have Chaaba Omar. Let us proceed with the demo of our product. Now, we in login page where user need to register and login account. While doing this, the system will record user info in the database. So let me let me enter a few details. Okay, now after register it, so user need to log in and then it will go to our system in the database. It will record user information such as username, password, and then timestamp. Okay, let's say if user try to enter the system without login, it will not successful because the code in each page has login credential like this. Whether the PHP it will check if the user has login or not. We're using sessions. Also for the COVID, the PHP will do the same. And then for the index, the PHP also we do the same. Let's say I try to enter the system without login. It will not successfully. It will go directly to the login page back. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Chaaba Omar. My matric number is 290071, and this is my presentation for assignment 3 for mobile programming. Like we see here, this is a news page. The first page will see after the login and sign in. The page will show you the up-to-date news, and this is the CSS for it. And you can like scroll down to see the news for the day, and when you click in it, it will open the new tab and open the source for the news like this, directly to the source. And here there's the weather page. You can choose the city here. I will show you the degrees for the city weather, and told you the description for it, and some information like wind direction, ghost, cloud cover, feels like, visibility, and the time of the city. Let's try like Kuala Lumpur, and it show image for the weather, like and now it's have thunders and light rain, and you see the degree for it, 27, and the same information like time, it's daytime in Kuala Lumpur right now, and the wind and the same informations, Algeria's the same informations, and go on, and this is the CSS for it, for the with the page. Yeah, and the last page is for COVID-19 new cases. Okay, this page will show you a chart for the new cases in the world in about COVID-19. It's a data you can choose in like you can see every day, and you can like choose the last week. You can see the last week, the past 10 days, the past 40 days, the past month, and the past 100 days. You can see all the charts about it, and you can choose the days you want to see, and this is the CSS for it. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kavilashwinii Subramaniam, matrix number 296336. So, today I will be presenting our group assignment 3, where I will talk about the API integration. So, first of all, our app shows COVID-19 statistic using live data and the weather, and also the news using the live data from an API. So, let me explain how the API works and how we integrate it into the app. So first of all, we the app uses an API endpoint, which is over here. Uh, yeah, which is over here and here. So this gives us the latest COVID-19 cases up to 100 entries. So here is the 100 thing. So to fetch data, the app checks if the data is already saved on the device, and if it's available and still valid, we use the catch data, and if it's not, the app fetch the new data from the API using a simple request. So to process the data, once we have the data, we filter it based on the number of days the user selects, and the filtered data is formatted to show dates and the number of new cases. And to display the data will be turned into a line chart using a library called canvas.js, and the chart updates dynamically when users change the number of days. So let us see how we integrate the API. So first of all, I would like to show the uh, application. So user can select how many days of the data they want to see. For example, 7 days. So it will show like 7 days of data over here. 10 days data and 30 days until 100 days. So the app sends a request to the API using jQuery. So the request is here, the API URL and done data thing. So and then the data is saved locally on the device using local storage, and to avoid fetching the same data multiple times. And also the to for the chart rendering, the filtered data is displayed as a line chart showing daily new COVID-19 cases. And logging user action, for the logging user action, every user interaction like changing the number of days or scrolling is logged into the local storage for analytics. So how to show like, so like now uh, right now I will show the API. So as I had showed before, this is the API URL, and here the limit is set for 100 uh, data. So this will show the raw data from the API in JSON format. And yeah, so this API will allow us to get live COVID-19 data, filter it, and also display it in interactively. So this is the same process what we did for the weather and the news. So I'll show the weather thing. So the same thing we had did. uh, Here is the API URL. So we use this to actually fetch the data and all. So the same process we had repeated for the news and the weather. Thank you.